Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see some of the number puzzles. The number one, what number comes inside the circle? The correct answer is 6. Explanation. Looking at the diagram in rows, the central circle equals half the sum of the numbers in the other circles to the left and right of the center. Let's go for another question. Which number replaces the question mark? The correct answer is 9. Explanation. The number at the center of each triangle equals the sum of the lower two numbers minus the top number. Let's go for another quiz. Which number completes the puzzle? The correct answer is 19. Explanation. As you move diagonally down, numbers follow the sequence of prime number. The next question. Which number replaces the question mark? The correct answer is 16. Explanation. Starting bottom left and moving clockwise around the triangle, numbers follow the sequence of square numbers. Let's go for another quiz. Which number replaces the question mark in the given triangle? The correct answer is 39. Explanation. Working from top to bottom, double each number and subtract 1, then 2, then 3, and on with etc. Let's go for another question. Which number replaces the question mark? The correct answer is 4. Explanation. Working in columns, the sum of the numbers in each column is always 14. Now let us move towards another question. Which letter replaces the question mark in the given diagram? The correct answer is 6. Explanation. The numbers in each row and column are added to 15. The next question is, what is missing from the hexagon? Guess the number. The correct answer is 40. Explanation. Moving from left to right, numbers increase by 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go for another quiz. Which number replaces the question mark in the following diagram? The correct answer is 9. Explanation. In each square of the diagram, the sum of the numbers is always 22. Let's go for another question. Which number replaces the question mark? Guess the number. The correct answer is 16. Explanation. Moving clockwise around alternate segments in the chain, one sequence decreases by 1, 2, 3, and 4 each time, while the other increases by 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.